Before this video starts, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. You can leave the seeds out of your jalapeno, but I am leaving the seeds in because that's where most of the flavor is. So these are going to be chopped right on in with the rest of the pepper. My ripe avocados here. Just simply going to spoon them in there. Now, because I don't want my onions to taste so raw, I'm putting them a little heat to them, and I have in the bottom of this pot a touch of olive oil, and again, just a little bit of heat to take the rawness off, just a bit. Now, before I use the other half of this lime, I'm going to taste this because I don't want it to be too tart. This is before I put anything else in here. That's it. I don't need to add the other half in there because I do not like a lot of tartness in my guacamole. So 1/2 of the lime I'm using. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in some salt and pepper. I'm going to start out with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and if I need to add more, I will. I'm going to do some cumin, 1/2 teaspoon. I'm going to go ahead and put in some freshly cracked black pepper. You know, I gotta have that. And it's to your taste. You see, I like a lot. All right. I'm gonna just mix this in. And before I add anything else in here, I want to see what my guacamole or what my avocados taste like, because that's the base of the guacamole. So if you get your base right, everything else that goes in when you add it will be on point. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and taste. And that's it. All right, so I don't need to add anything else. I'm simply going to go in now and add the rest of my ingredients. Starting with my onions. Dump them right on in there. I have my cilantro. Just a handful. And a handful of my jalapeños, and I'm using all of my tomatoes. 1 whole tomato is what I have chopped up here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just get all of this mixed in, and I will taste and see if I want to add anything in there, but I think we are good. to go. All right, guys, this is our guacamole, and I have a confession to make. While I was filming this video, I simply stopped and sat down and enjoyed a bowl of this guacamole with these blue chips, and man, oh man, all I can say is you need to make you some of this. Chunky guacamole, homemade guacamole, you can't beat it. All right, guys, I will see you guys next time on the next video, y'all willing. And until then, everyone take care.